this.
This is a 20 gauge 870. This is our home defense shotgun. The side saddle on it. And just a bead sight. That's about it. Pretty simple. It's a youth model, so it is shorter. And put some rounds through it.
Cut.
Alright. Good shot. Oh, there you go. So I said when you rack it, just kill it. Just hammer it when you pump the slide.
I still can't believe we're at 20 gauge and how much gauge was like nothing. Of course it had the ported end, didn't it?
Yeah. You loaded? Alright, we're comparing the 12 gauge to the 20 gauge right now.
I was flinching with the 30-06.
Yeah. The 20 gauge, she did kick quite a bit. It hurts her, so we're going to try the semi-automatic 12 gauge and see how she likes this one. See which one she wants to go for when the bad guy's in the house.
Or the bears in the backyard.
Yeah. Let's make sure it's in your shoulder good.
And the team.
Hit with some empty shells here.
Okay. Yeah, they're about the same.
About the same? Okay. Versus 870 20 gauge pump, semi-auto 12 gauge.
I still like the 16 gauge better.
Should I go buy you one?
Best. Yeah.
Okay. You gonna finish them off or no?
But the 16 gauge had the ported end.
It's got a ported barrel. We could port your 870.
A better butt pad too?
Yeah, that's a hard butt pad on that too. We could put a Sims on there.
Okay, we'll do one more.
And then over here we got the High Point garbage. For you guys that love High Point, can I give you credit? I don't. This is the first gun. We've had several jams in it. And the ammo we're shooting is pretty good starter gun for the price, but you get what you get.